Hello guys, and welcome back if you're back, and if you have been watching my channel, thank you, appreciate it. But today I'll be unboxing the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, as you can see in the back. So supposedly there was a delay on shipping and delivery, and I ordered them in the beginning of September and I got them until now. And I was waiting until like 7 today, and they just arrived at 7:30. So I am going to unbox them. Okay, so here we got the little instructional strips. So of course, take that one off. Take this one off. You got the, I don't know if you can see it. You know, the typical Apple things they do, and of course the robot. But here we got the AirPods. As you can see, now they have speakers, so I'm guessing that's the speaker output. And let's check what else is in the box. And we have a charger. We have a cable charger. That's good. I have like 3 of these already. And of course the different sizes of the ear tips. As you can see, we have extra small, small, and large. Isn't that great? Okay. Now we will get, let's put this aside real quick. Get down to AirPods themselves. Oh, kind of heavy. Oh, as you see here, this is the little spot for the lanyard loop, so you can buy that on the Apple store. But here you go. I'll be testing them out to see how they sound, so I'll be sharing that with you guys. So guys, I have tested this bad boys, and Apple followed up on their promise. They are 2 times more noise cancellation. So if you compare them to the AirPods Pro 1st generation right here, that of course I have them, LOL, but I did some comparison, transparency, noise cancellation, and off. Transparency, it's a bigger difference than on the previous ones. You can hear, you know, what's around you and people talking and whatnot more clearer now on the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. As far as noise cancellation, it's a big difference. You can't really hear when people are talking low, in a low voice, but when they're a little bit, you know, loud, you can hear some words, but it sounds muffled. So yes, they did follow through on that noise cancellation. As stated before, it does have the speaker that makes the noise when you open them and you're about to connect them. Of course, they make a sound if you lose them. So I'll be opening up the Find My app, and I'll be playing the sound so you guys can hear how loud it is. It's pretty loud. Of course the AirPods themselves make a sound. I try to figure that out, but they made a sound inside of the case, and I was trying to figure out how that happened. But yeah, they do make a sound too. So if you lose them individually and you are using the app, you know, you can hear them, and you know, it's not as loud as the case, but you'll still hear it if you're near them. So let me just get into the headphones themselves. So of course, this is what they look. Now they have a little speaker output on the top, and if you compare them to the old ones now, because they're old, so you see they don't have a little speaker on the top output, which is pretty interesting. I guess you could hear music even louder and better quality. But yeah, these are the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I highly recommend it. Of course, they are about $250 if I'm correct, with taxes, of course, $260. But you know, if you want something new and if you want to upgrade from the previous generation, then I suggest you do. Noise cancellation is what I was expecting to hear. And it says up to 30 hours charging, and of usage 6 hours. So I'll see how that goes, and I'll most likely make another video about it. But yeah, and of course I forgot to say that now it has the touch. They changed the functionality on the touch now. I think you can skip the music or do some other things, but I will, like I said, most likely make another video on the battery life. So if you guys are interested in that, keep a lookout. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and of course subscribe for more. I really appreciate it.